Any line officer or frontline supervisor arriving first on scene to a multi-vehicle collision is faced with a multitude of initial scene management procedures, even if overwhelming. These responsibilities can be managed effectively by following basic incident command principles. As the first on scene, you are the incident commander until relieved. Prioritize life-saving actions and scene safety. Avoid handling both investigative and command duties, delegate information collection, and focus on managing resources and communication. Use your patrol car as a temporary command post. Mark it clearly, move it if necessary to make room for other agencies and ensure visibility. Assign an officer to establish a safe working area and coordinate early tasks. Don't interfere with the fire department setup. Allow them space for triage and emergency operations. Request a firefighter to serve as your safety officer. This enhances the unified command structure and ensures safety oversight during ongoing operations. Designate an officer to handle logistics, such as calling in specialized units and cleanup crews. They should also coordinate media staging until your agency's public affairs unit arrives. Your early efforts help form a scalable ICS structure, command, unified across law enforcement, fire, and EMS. Operations manages on-scene activities. Planning coordinates long-term event management. Logistics gathers resources and assets. Finance handles funding and expense tracking. Early ICS assignments can transition into full sections as the incident progresses.